The Avalara Connector for NetSuite links AvaTax's tax calculation with the transactions in NetSuite. Here's how it works. You create a sales transaction in NetSuite. The info goes from NetSuite through the connector into AvaTax. AvaTax calculates the tax on the transaction. The tax info comes back from AvaTax through the connector, which updates the transaction in NetSuite with the calculated tax. You can send the invoice to the customer with the tax due. Your transaction info is now in AvaTax, where you can run reports and file returns.